Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about regions. Well, in the previous videos we have learned how to find the set of values that satisfy the multiple inequalities, and for this video we are going to learn to identify the regions that satisfy linear and quadratic equations. Well, when you see y less than fx, it asks you to find the points on the coordinate grid below the curve y equals to fx. And similarly, y greater than fx, it asks you to find the points on the coordinate grid above the curve. Those are the two ways to shade the regions on the graphs. And when you see y greater fx or y less than fx, which means y equals to fx is not included in the region. So when you draw it on the graph, you need to use a dotted line. Which is y equals to fx is not included in the region. So use a dotted line, like that. And when you see y greater than or equal to fx or y less than or equal to fx, you can see y equals to fx is included in the region. So when you draw that line, you need to use the solid line, like that. Now let's see an example question. Our coordinate grid shade the region that satisfies the inequalities 3y plus 2x less than 10 and y greater than or equal to x squared minus x minus 2. You can see from the first inequality that the coordinate grid below the function. And for this one, y greater than or equal to, so it's above x squared minus x minus 2. And in here, from the first one, you can see it is only less than, so we use a dotted line. And the second inequality, it includes the equal to, which means you need to use a solid line. Now first, we need to draw the graph 3y plus 2x equals to 10. So we want to draw 3y plus 2x equals to 10. What we can have if x equals to 0, it implies that 3y equals to 10, which means y equals to 10 over 3. And y equals to 0 implies that 2x equals to 10, x equals to 5. So we have that 10 over 3. So 3 point something, maybe like here. Maybe here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Over here. Or 3. Here is origin and x equals to 5. Probably here. And then you need to use a ruler to draw that, but I don't have one, so I just simply to cover that. I simply draw it. So remember to use the dotted line and pass through those 2 points. Yeah. So here is 0y plus 2x equals to 10. And for the second one, you need to draw x squared minus x minus 2. Let me write that. This is first step, second step. That's the y. You need to draw that so you can factorize it if y equals to 0. What do we have? We have x squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0, implies that x minus 2 times x plus 1 equals to 0. Thus we have x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 1. Now if x equals to 0, we have y equals to minus 2. So we have in here, maybe 2 is here, and minus 1 is here, over here, and another minus 2 over here. So pass these 3 points for the curve x squared minus x minus 2. So we have okay. Now we have that. And then we need to, don't forget to shade the area. So we need to shade the first one. Let me use another color, the orange one, to draw the first inequality. There's a coordinate grade below f 3y plus 2x equals to 10. So it's below the dotted line. So the orange part, that is below. And then for the second one, so y greater than or equal to x squared minus x minus 2, so above x squared minus x minus 2. Let me use another color. So it's greater than, so it's above than, above the curve. And then now we can see the overlap area, which is those parts. The purple one. And this, we have done this question. And in this part is what we need to learn from this video. You can pause the video and make some notes. Thank you for your watching.